Wearing a Canada Goose jacket. I will say that. We're going to explain more coming up in the show. But right now, we're going to say good day, D.C., Maryland, Northern Virginia. It is 9:01 straight up on this Friday morning.
We made it to Friday.
Yeah.
We'll get to Tucker's forecast in just a few. But first, today is National.
After talking to you, because I'm going to get some work-life balance. But my first question is, how do you really define work-life balance? Because it could be subjective, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think when we're saying balance...
After talking to you, because I'm going to get some work-life balance. But my first question... Tip the balance. How do you tip the scale? Because like if you're the person, I find myself in this, it's like on this day it's 70-30, right? And it feels like more and more days it's 70-30. How do I get the day where I can be the 30 and the other half can be the 70?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we want to do is there are a few things you want to have.
Get the significant partner then to look at the calendar. Oh wait, that's a different segment. That's a marriage segment. Sorry.
I'll come back and we'll talk about that. But you also want to have a plan around meals. If you can plan meals, if you can plan outfits, right? On a Sunday evening, have 3 or 4 outfits with the accessories and everything ready to go. And then we're talking about
that I'm a new mom is you do it all and you're like, delegate, what is that? How do you ask for help? And then once, folks are willing to, how do you delegate?
I think one of the things we have to think about is, if I do it, I can just do it. By the time I sit down, explain it, and tell you about it, like I really could have had it done already. So we've got to get rid of that idea.
That you put that on them because they also know themselves best and they know what they can do best.
Yes.
You also say when you are stuck, just ask for help.
Don't stay stuck. Right. If you have
and I'm listening to you. I want to know, when do I know that I need a therapist and when do I know I need a life coach, and the difference between the two?
So the difference between the two is a life coach is going to help you set goals and
that way. And I need both.
Yes.
And that's okay.
And now we know we need both.
And that's okay.
Listen, the tips you give are refreshingly practical. Where can folks go to get some more information?
DeborahPorter.net.
DeborahPorter.net.
There's some free resources on there, and if you want to chat, that's an option for that.
Deborah, thank you so much.
10:50 is our time right now. Coming up next, the new worst way to break up with someone.
Okay. 10:50, and as we have to break, we are checking our poll results here right now.